Rigged and ready travel rods make it 10 times easier for us to travel on the bus.
So we can fish places like this.
I went on the most epic 12-day, 375-kilometer solo canoe trip across the Yukon wilderness. I caught a ton of fish and I took the X5 adventure travel rod.
I live here now in Hokkaido, Japan, and use my rods every single day, whether that's in my guiding operations or for personal use.
Saving space is so important. That's why I always fish with rigged and ready travel rods.
My favourite rigged and ready rod is the Max CP combo because I can fish for carp with it, and it fits in my little car. It's strong, compact and perfect for my fishing trips.
I love fishing and I love hiking and exploring too, and that is why I fish with rigged and ready rods. Not only are they multi-purpose, they're also compact enough to fit into a rucksack.